Hi everybody, this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Welcome to my channel. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm so glad to have you. And for those of you who've been subscribed for a while, welcome back. Today I will be sharing an unboxing with you. Now, I recently was gifted a beautiful Coach Parker bag. Got it last month for my birthday, and so this is the bag for those of you who may be tuning in for the first time. This is the Parker bag. I love this bag. It's so stylish. It's just classic in its design. And so when I happened upon these sneakers on the Coach website, I just had to get them. They are the Coach runners in the signature style. So I'm going to be unboxing them for you. They did not have them on the Coach site in my size. I wear a 9.5. And so I had to search the World Wide Web to try and find this shoe in my size, and I happened to find it on Newman.com. They had it in a 9.5. They no longer have any more 9.5s, just to give you a heads up, but they do have them in 10s and other sizes. Now on the Coach site, they only have them in 6, 7, and 8, and from what I understand, they will not be continuing with this particular style, so I wanted to go ahead and get it, just as they will not be continuing with this style Parker bag. So they do have the Parker bag in other colors and makes of it, but this particular one, I understand that they will no longer be making it. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna go ahead and let's take a look at these shoes. This is going to be a genuine reaction. This is not a sponsored video. This is just something that I have been wanting, and I am going to share it with my other fashionistas, those who love fashion like I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the box. So let's see what we got here. Wow, they're in here, guys. And like I say, I ordered them off of Newman.com. So this is the shoe box that they come in. And this is called the Coach C118 Runner Signature Coated Canvas 9.5. And these were $195. And so this is just kind of like a treat for me. And let's just go ahead and unbox them. So they come with the Coach little booklet. It says footwear care booklet, and it's got some good information on taking care of that. And now we're going to take them out. Ta-da! These are the runners, and I love them. They're more beautiful in person than they were online. Let's go ahead and take out the stuffing and whatnot, and then I'll give you a close-up, of course. Wow. So these shoes come with black laces. You have this black trim with the brass border. You have the signature coated canvas with the C's. And what is so cool, this, I don't know if you can see this, but this rubber has like glitter embedded into the rubber on the sole of the shoe. So it has this two-tone, and you have the Coach signature on the tracking on the bottom. And I like the 3-layer on the sole. So you have this kind of rust color, then the white, and then the black, and that kind of clear with the crystals or glitter in it. And on the back, it has this cute little charm, which is nice, and this is snake skin. And this says Coach, and it has the C on it, and this can be removed. So this little comes off, this little charm comes off. I think that's a nice added feature. That back on here. That is a really cool design. I think Coach has really stepped up their game, but I just love the different components of the shoe, the nice contrasting of materials that they have, and it goes perfectly with this Coach Parker bag. So I'm gonna put them side by side so that you can see them. But I just think that is so cool for a nice sporty look, and then you have your matching bag with it. So of course I'm going to be trying them on for you, but you have that nice rust leather And on there, ooh, nice cushioning on the inside. So the inside says Coach. So it's well branded, really good condition, but the most important thing is how do they wear? Are they comfortable? Well, we're gonna find out. So keep watching, stay tuned. I'm gonna do some mod shots on my foot just so you can see what they look like on, and then I will wrap up this review. Thanks so much for tuning in. Keep watching. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and the review of these Coach runners. They still have them on their sites in size 6, 7, and 8. They also have them at LeeNewman.com in some additional sizes, and I'm sure there are other sites out there as well that have them, but the going price is about $195. Like I say, I love this multi-faceted shoe because of all the different textures and the contrasting elements. It's just a really beautiful shoe. It really goes well with the Parker bag. So for those of you who may have the Parker bag, this is a good complement to this bag. In addition, I almost forgot to tell you that you can exchange out the laces. So they also have laces in this rust color, which will blend nicely in with the leather that is on the shoe. So you can change up your look if you'd like. But I highly recommend this, and like I love this little feature of the removable charm on that shoe. It's really comfortable for those of you who are wondering. It is, you know, a little bit stiff in areas, but I know that this part is very soft where the tongue is. It does have arch support inside, and it's a very comfortable shoe. So I'm looking forward to getting a lot of wear out of this shoe, and I know it will only look better over time. So thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Also check out the description box to links where you can get the Coach shoe. And as I said, these are all my sincerest opinions on the shoe. This is not a sponsored video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time. Bye.